everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm basically going to be showing you a quick little tutorial on how to do the messy bun. It's really simple, really easy, and it comes in handy when you are quick, ready to go out the door, whether you are trying to get ready for work and you don't have the time to curl your hair or straighten it, or you just are lazy, because I'm guilty of that. There are days where I just don't feel like doing my hair, and this little look really does come in handy. So if you want to know more or less what I use in my hair and really how easy it is to get this little bun look right here, if you can see it, is like super easy, like the most easiest thing you could possibly do with your hair. And honestly, I wear my hair up pretty frequently. Like, I prefer to keep it up out of my face. I love it that way. It's so much easier. And if you want to know more or less how I got this look, then just keep watching and I'll be able to show you how I got my bun look. So okay, so the way I usually do a messy bun, there's a couple ways of doing it, and usually when I'm out the door I just like to do it real quick. So usually the only thing that I ever really use is, of course, you're gonna need a brush. Sorry for all the hair. So you're just gonna need a brush and then some hairspray, right? Because you want to get all those little hairs down. And then sometimes I'll use a dry shampoo, which I think sometimes helps keep everything kind of in place, because my hair is like really fine. It's like really fine. It's a hot mess right now, but it's really like thin is what I'm saying. So I think sometimes having a dry shampoo comes in handy. And this one is by Bedhead. It's called OB Hive, and it smells really good too. And the other thing that I use is a Moroccan hair serum, and this kind of just helps kind of this kind of helps make it look slick back. So yeah, you just put a little bit of the Moroccan, see, it's nice and greasy. You just put a little bit of that. My camera is always giving me a hard time. So you put this in your hair, right? And you just kind of like put it through, just to kind of give it that shine, because my hair be looking dry these days. And yeah, it's definitely okay. And then just brush it out. Brush all those knots. Ow. Sometimes I tease my hair and then I forget to take out all the knots. And then I just part it like this. I wish I had a better angle that I can show you. I hope that this angle looks okay, because I don't have like professional studio in here. But I put a little bit of the spray underneath the dry shampoo. Okay, and all you need is one of these little bad boys. So these are really good too, these little like spirally things that you can use for your hair, or you can just use a regular plain old little scrunchy thingy. And then just brush your mop like so. And I think I'm just going to use the regular little spongy. And literally this works if you have, getting a hot flash. This usually works if you have your hair not squeaky clean. Like, you need your hair a little dirty, so like maybe a day or two that it hasn't been washed, I feel like it will stay up better. And I know there's a lot of people that like putting all these crazy little like things in their hair to have it stick. I seriously don't do that. I literally, sorry, my dog is going crazy. She's been barking like all day and I don't know why. She's never like that. Their house is haunted. So you're basically gonna grab all the hair up like this, right? This is how it looks. And then trying to make sure you get like the perfect angle so you can see me. So once you get all your hair up, and it doesn't even need to be perfect, honestly. When I do a bun, I don't strive to have it perfect. I just make sure that all the hair is up and out of my face. And then all you really do is, if you can even see, I feel like you can't really see me. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So then all you do is just, as if you're gonna do like a ponytail, you loop it, like I do it twice, okay, and then I kind of just like separate it. Literally, I twist it like this. I think my hair's still too clean for this because sometimes it just doesn't work. And then all I do is I just tuck my hair like underneath. And that's literally it, you guys. Like, that's all I freaking do for a messy bun. This one kind of looks a little whack. But I literally just do this and then it's done. And then you spray it with some hairspray and that's it. I think there's like... Sorry, there was something on my lens. But this is it. This is all you pretty much do. If you want a nice messy bun, that's all you do. Literally. That's it. And then you just spray some hairspray up in that mop like this. And you are literally, you can do a couple little pins if you want, because like I said, my hair is still kind of clean. So if it's clean, it's not going to look, I guess you can say, as perfect as I would like it to look. But usually when like I'm out the door and I'm in a rush and I don't feel like dealing with, oh shoot, I don't feel like dealing with curling the hair, straightening the hair, like all that stuff, it just takes too much time. And I'm all about like quick, because sometimes I'm like in a super rush. So this is pretty much how my bundie looks. And like I said, you can use the little there's like these little clips that I use. I don't know where the heck they're at. Oh, right here. These little like clips, they're not bobby pins, but like these little clips that you can use to clip the hair down, because sometimes this hair likes to like just go all over the place. And that's it. It's literally, use one of these or a couple of those and you're good to go with the bun look. So it definitely comes in handy. Alright, so anyhow, that is pretty much my really quick tutorial on how to do a messy bun. Literally, when I say messy, like it's messy. There ain't nothing neat about this bun. It's just that easy, that quick. Nothing to it besides maybe a couple hair products to keep your hair down. Like I said, some hairspray and some dry shampoo if you need it. If not, and you got that thick full hair and you don't need all that stuff, then you just put it up in a bun and it's that easy. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And again, great more videos to come in the future, especially with my twins, because I know you guys like those videos. And give me some ideas. Like, honestly, I'm just starting out, so I just kind of always like to hear people's feedback and see more or less what better videos to put out there. And that way I can entertain you guys, because that is what I'm here for. Woo! Alright, anyways, see you guys later on my next video. Bye.